on the machine. Before we power on the machine, we must be sure the flatbed is nothing on the table, is clean, nothing on the table, and we must be sure the gap between the print head and flatbed with enough space without scratch the print head. Then we move to the right side, the back side of the machine, and we find out the general power port. And before we connect the power cable to the machine, we must be sure the machine is 220 voltage or 110 voltage. We must be sure. And if you're not sure, please ask a focus support team to be sure which voltage is suitable for your machine. Then we connect the general power cable to the machine, and we power on the machine. When you power on the machine, the screen will be on, and here we can change it to English version, and we test each function for the control panel. This one is up. When you press up, the flatbed will start to move up. And this for move down. Flatbed move down. And this button for flatbed backward motion and automatic stop. And this is for move to front, to forward. Automatic stop. And this for power on the machine, and this for paper arrow and the reset button, and this one is for ink box. So when we start to power on the machine, we power on, remove the top cover, and we press the power for the top option. We click start. Then the top carriage start to moving to start self-testing. And UV light is on, and this light is on. We can click off to power off the UV light. So this is UV light function, and this will adjust the UV light, the power, for adjust the UV light power. And we can move the flatbed to the end. So this is step for power on the machine.